Why not? Okay. Do you want it? You don't want it? I'll take it. No, but if you take it, Sia's gonna have to take it, but Sia doesn't want it right now.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Where am I supposed to put it?
Like, don't breathe too heavy, but you can talk normal.
Sometimes I don't be breathing at all.
All right. You don't be breathing.
No, why would I breathe?
All right, Aiden, go right, and then you'll be his opposite.
Okay. Are we setting from the middle? Are we setting from the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, what can I say?
Oh, we are.
We are.
We're gonna set the standard low key.
Hey! Sons of
Thank you. I feel like it's about to fall off. It won't? Okay.
Oh yeah, also like, just say beach and then say Sons of
Beach?
Oh, nice block. Tip. Oh,
That's my bad.
it's okay.
There's a lot of that, right?
Oh, he's a bastard.
Guys, can you pull back?
Yeah.
Oh, you got Sia.
My bad.
That's it.
Okay. My bad.
Boom. You got me fine.
Yeah.
Was I over
You go a
him?
little quicker than
Was I over him?
Okay.
Hey.
just a little bit.
Okay. My bad.
Okay.
God, I hate middle.
Yeah, though.
One or two?
Huh?
One or two?
It suits you.
Hey. Hooray.
Hooray!
Wait. I literally asked if you were setting from the middle and no one corrected me. Dang.
Nice serve. Nice serve.
Sons of the
Oh, you're off. You're off. You're off.
Oh my god. Yay.
Go left. Or are you better middle back?
I got you, Jaden. Don't worry. Love you back. If you don't arch that thing and heat that home. Watch tip. Hooray.
Nice
I know,
serve,
Uncle.
Pino.
You
Nice
said
serve, nice
sons
serve.
of, and then I say beach.
Sons of a beach. You have a better celebration idea?
Just let me know what I have to say.
Alright, yeah. Come on, one. Go.
That's embarrassing. My bad.
You're good.
Keep serving.
Give me head.
Ah!
Yo, can we get that replay in the chat, bro? Got it.
Yeah. I got it.
Oh, it's up. It's up.
Good stuff.
Is it still? I need to sandbag it a little.
That's what you guys are here for.
I thought I was about to hit
What do
that
we
shit
get
in the net.
So.
Wait, the way Jaden. The way Jaden hit the ground. He said, "Ah!" Not him running for it.
I stay here.
A break.
Still gonna set?
No.
Offset?
Oh! Oh fuck! My bad. My bad. That's a good pass, man. That's my bad.
Yeah, they're running tempo.
That's a little tight.
It's fun.
Oh look, that is them. It's them. John, Jen, and them.
In.
Yes, Jaden. Surely. Oh.
Come on.
Softer?
Hey guys.
Good touch.
Is your service
He's good.
Nice swing, Ethan.
Jay? Am I pushing up? What, Huji?
Whatever you want.
My bad.
Not bad. I'll get.
You want tighter? I know, it wasn't be done.
Sure.
My bad. I'll get that
Side
tighter.
out. Scam tape. Nice serve.
You want two?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
That's it, Dad.
Okay.
Are you middle?
I'll go
Right side?
Yes.
Son of a
Beach. Yes, I know that one.
Yes.
Wait, you're before.
You're good.
I'll push back.
One.
Nice. Good job, man. My bad. That was insane.
I got a long arm.
You. So like, what's the setting?
I told her I would. She said no. The things I would do to be a setter.
No.
Follow.
This way. Good sir.
Watch out. Heads up.
Good pass.
That's my son.
This is you.
Is it too far out?
Guys.
Too far out.
No,
Two balls. Left-handed. Hey, good serve.
hey.
Beach. Wait, guys, we're cooking.
Fire?
Yeah. Son of a beach.
No, our OG team is like actually like insanely wholesome.
Virgin to my A. Oop. Sorry, that one was crazy. That's my bad. That's my bad.
On mic too.
Nice set. Oh shit.
I forgot you so back there.
It is fine. I said, ooh. Dang, guys, I almost backed it up on Ray.
Damn, nice pass.
Am I allowed to cuss?
Waste of money.
Okay. I was like, I've been saying some foul words.
Oh.
My bad. I low-key was so over the net, he should have called me. Oh, where am I going? Oh. Dang, I didn't get to set the middle.
Ooh.
Oh!
Big bitch is crazy. You want me to break his finger?
No matter where you are, I'll go right near you.
Okay. I have to hit 10 foot once.
Yes.
Just a little bit, just a little bit.
That was a good block. Whoever blocked that.
You would have roofed my ass had he's drunk. Huh? You would have roofed my shit. Skyball. Oh, I'm not setting. One up, one up.
My dad doubled it. In between me.
Just that.
Oh my
Nice
God,
shot.
look at Tip Demon.
Good spot.
Way to be.
I'm
Good
gonna
set.
be up in
Thanks.
the corner. Do it, do it.
It's up.
Oh my God, man. Dude, Ray's shoulders, bro.
Good swing. Good set, Jaden.
Thank you.
Ray's shoulders. Oh my God. Stop blinking, bro.
Nice pass, Ethan. Oh shit.
No, he ate me up. He ate me up. He swung right past me.
Jaden.
Stop.
That was good.
No, it was good. It was inside. It was inside.
You're good. I couldn't so either. It was like. I thought I lost it for a second, so. Who's serving next?
Get up. Get
We only got
up.
2.
Oh, do you want me to pass?
Ocho.
Oh! Way to rip. Almost.
Yes, yes. I'm setting.
I'm so
Oh, that's
sorry.
not.
What are we doing?
I'm sorry. I'm
Two
sorry.
of the past 4 rotations.
I'm sorry. That's me. Me. I just. Yeah.
Good game.
Good set.
That's so tragic.
Hey guys.
I reached so far over the